Hello everyone. In this tutorial episode, we'll be exploring the editing, sorting, and the shifting of columns on the Master Enumeration Dashboard. As explained in the previous episodes, we have several tables on the Master Enumeration Dashboard, as seen on the left side of the screen. However, another unique feature the Master Enumeration Dashboard gives is the user inclusiveness. It allows users to just view their data in the simplest of forms. Now, let's say you have the land ID and you are trying to compare it with the business type. Having to look at the left and right side of the screen at once might be cumbersome or stressful for some. So Master Enumeration Dashboard allows you to pick a column, then shift it to achieve better comparison. As you can see, my land ID column is now second to the last column from the right side of the screen, just beside my business subsector. It allows me to compare easily without having to stress my eyes. Also, different parts of the screen exist due to the several columns that exist on the table. So what do? We can pick a column here and then drag it here, or if that's not the final destination I still want to take it to, you can still shift it and then drag. Also, we understand that there can be some discrepancies you notice in the data which calls for an edit. Master Enumeration Dashboard allows you to edit a number. And you can see at the bottom left corner, save changes. Saving changes, and then you have the data saved. In any case of sorting or order, you can order your data based on the first letter, based on numbers. A click, now you can see this is descending order. We have L as the first letter. Another click will give us a descending order, which is having F as the first letter, farming. It's even more beautiful when we're using numbers. Let's find the number column. ID starts from 1. A click on the ID column gives you the last number as the first, which is 8. So we have 8 as the first row, and then another click orders it in the ascending order. That is a very beautiful feature because it allows users to view their data in the best way possible, allows you to access different parts of your data first. Maybe the one you are most interested in is the one with a value, so you can just sort it instead of having to search or find it on several columns of the table. Now, for example, there are different the date of capture, the date created could vary in different parts of the table. What this allows you to just do is change the dates of capture if you have like hundreds of dates, and you can also use a filter for that, but this is even an easier option for you. Just change and then get the latest of the dates on the data for the screen. That is just a simple feature, though very efficient, that the Master Enumeration Dashboard gives you the ability to edit, sort, and shift your columns without having to stress. Edit, and then your changes are saved. As you can see here, I can decide to save my changes, and I can decide to just leave it and then move to the next column to do any other thing. But also, the freedom given by the Master Enumeration Dashboard should also be understood that these data are unique and important. So when you are changing your data, make sure you are not tampering with anything that would affect the quality of your data, because even though robust, this dashboard is built for quality. It's built for quality. You can take your time to explore other parts of the dashboard, and I will tell you, you would really see a lot of things there. I will even wow you on the dashboard. Stay tuned for other episodes where we'll be exploring other parts of the dashboard. Thank you.